We have to find any polynomial with degree 3 and with a given zeros, and the leading coefficient is already given as 1. So the roots are x is minus 1, x is 6i, and x is minus 6i. So the factors will be x plus 1, x minus 6i, and x plus 6i. So if these are the factors, then the function, the polynomial function, is going to look like leading coefficient is 1. So that's 1 times x plus 1, the multiplication of all the factors, x plus 1 times x minus 6i times x plus 6i. So that will be x plus 1 times, now x plus minus 6i, x plus 6i will be x square minus 6i square. So that's going to be x plus 1 times x square minus 36i square. So this will become x plus 1 times x square plus 36. So this is the required function. And if we have to further distribute this, then this will become x cube plus x square, x cube plus x square plus 36x plus 36. 36x plus 36. So this is the required polynomial which has these 3 roots. Thank you.